Hi, this is Natalie with Vive Health. We are focusing on spine health in this series of videos. Make sure you always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine. Let's go ahead and come to a seated position. You can place something underneath your bottom to help with your knees and your hips. We are focusing on beginner poses here, so let's get started. Find that nice tall seat, take a deep inhale, ears over shoulders, shoulders over hips, and just notice your posture right now. Good. Now notice your breathing. We're going to start to elongate those breaths through your nose if possible. In, pause and out, pause and in, pause and out. Now let's make this the longest one you can comfortably in through your body with a deep breath. And just release it. Good. Now it's important to warm up our spine before we do any kind of twisting with it. So go ahead and drop your chin to your chest. And then inhale, look up towards the sky. Then gently drop your chin to your chest. And I trust that you know your body and you're feeling it. So make sure you don't surpass your levels. And then up again. Also stretches through here, back down, and back up. Good. Then inhale, lift that spine. Then we're going to drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. Hold it here. Relax this left shoulder. Then come up and other ear to the other shoulder. Relax this shoulder. Good. Now come back up. Then drop your chin down, but this time we're gently rolling each ear to each shoulder. Very good. So right now we're focused on the top portion of our spine, the little bones that make up the neck portion. Then inhale, lift up. Good. Now look over towards your right shoulder. Relax the shoulders. Keep that good posture and just hold it here. Try to bring your ears back over the shoulders though. And then switch to the other side, gentle twisting of the neck. And let's do that on both sides one more time. Coming to the center, gently looking over, then coming back to the center, and gently looking over a little deeper. Then coming back through here, we're gonna come up to all fours, onto our knees and hands into tabletop. So taking your time here, your knees are underneath your hips, hands, elbows, and shoulders all aligned. And we're gonna do some cats and cows just to warm up the spine. Dropping your tailbone in, arching your upper portion of the back, and dropping your head all the way into cat pose. Then inhale, lift into cow pose, lifting your heart, your chin, and your chest up. Back and forth here, helping to realign the spine as well as apply slight pressure in between the joints to help produce some synovial fluid. Think of it just kind of like greasing your joints, making a little bit more comfortable for you. Back and forth. A couple more times here. And then we're gonna find that sturdy tabletop and move our hips around in a circular motion. Doesn't matter which way. Making sure that you're pressing into your fingertips so that your weight is not bearing only on your wrist. Let's pause and go the other direction, nice and easy for you. Good. Next, we're gonna go ahead and sink our hips over our calves and walk our hands way far to help stretch out that back. Drop your forehead down if you'd like and try to release into it for a few moments here. Deep inhale, steady exhale. Then gently come on up here. We're going to drop our hips down to the ground, elbows in, gently coming down here. So from here, our hands are underneath our shoulders and our elbows are in. Very important so we're not hurting our elbows. Lift up your spine here. Right now we're focusing on working the back muscles right through here. Your rector spinae helps lift you up. Great for posture, which stabilizes your core and also that lower back. So right here, you're also doing a little back bend, having some extension of that spine, opening up here. If you can, come up a little bit higher, but don't overdo it. Keep the shoulders down. Up you go, nice and easy. Then we're gonna gently come back down. Hands shift down a little bit further, elbows come in, and we're gonna do some flexion of the lower spine. So basically, we're going down here with the spine releasing from that extension. Then inhale, gently come on up. And we're gonna come back to a seated position. I'm gonna turn this way so you can see me a little bit better. You're gonna place both your legs down long here. Lifting up, shoulders back, navel in and up. Bring that right knee into your chest. Keep this left leg long, right knee in. If you can, cross the right leg over. If that's too intense for you, keep it here. But make sure you're nice and tall. We're gonna twist over your right shoulder. Your right hand is gonna come to your back. So back behind you, you're gonna lift up, and you wanna think like you're twisting from the base of your spine all the way to the top, and you're just doing a gentle twist over that right shoulder. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale, if you can twist a little bit further, twist a little bit further, but keep this right shoulder relaxed and down. Inhale, lift. Switch legs, so keep that tall spine. Left knee comes in. It can cross over if you'd like, or keep it here. Lifting nice and tall. Left hand behind you for support. Lift up, deep breath in, and exhale, twist over that left shoulder. Don't worry if you don't have the breaths, but the breaths can help you realign that spine and posture, lifting you up. Take a deep breath here, play around with it. Deep breath in. Good, and as you exhale, it helps you release into the stretch a little bit further for two reasons. Your lungs kind of collapsed, not really collapsed, but they exhaled the air out of you. So imagine you're squeezing a balloon out. You can twist further, as well as you calm down your central nervous system, allowing you to release deeper into stretches. See if you can twist just a little bit further back. Then on your next inhale, unwind. Lift up nice and tall, shoulders back, navel in and up here. From here, we're gonna bring the feet together. Give yourself a hug for some relaxation, rounding of the spine here. Holding on, deep breath in, steady breath out. Then inhale up. Go ahead and crisscross those legs again. Shoulders back, navel in and up. Lift up tall, close your eyes. Take a deep breath, swoop the arms up to the sky. Hands come together in prayer. Take a deep, refreshing inhale in. And exhale out. One more deep breath in. And exhale out. And gently open your eyes and just check into your body. Next, this right hand is going to come down to the ground. This left arm is going to come up and over just to get some lateral extension, opening up here just a little bit. Good. Reaching over, inhale, lifting up. Then gently over to the other side, just very simple. Then inhale up. From here, we're gonna do another twist with your legs crossed. If this is too intense on the legs can be extended, no problem. From here, take a deep breath in, and we're gonna go ahead and twist over that right shoulder. So your left hand's coming onto that left leg. Your right hand's coming behind you, and you're just doing the deepest twist you've done in this practice, but comfortably, okay? Listening to your body, back over. Inhale, center, switch, right hand on that left leg, left hand behind you, lift up tall, and twist, including your head as far back as you can go. Now we're gonna do both sides one more time. But this time I want you to visualize yourself going even further, because your mind has such a great impact on your body's ability. But keep in mind, knowing what feels comfortable. Inhale, lift up, tall, tall, tall. Remember, we twist from the base of the spine up, so lifting up and twisting over with an exhale over that right shoulder. See how far comfortably you can go. Don't push it too much. Inhale back to the center. And exhale over that left shoulder. Relax the shoulders a little bit. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, dive a little deeper. Then inhale, unwind. Now go ahead and lift up as tall as possible. Notice that spine. How do you feel right now? Your spine is your backbone, yes. So you want to make sure you keep it strong and flexible. So now that you've done this practice, make sure you continue to do this so that your spine can remain flexible and you can grow and you can help keep it aligned. Let's go ahead and close our eyes, finishing this practice today. Release your jaw. Imagine you can visualize your spine with your eyes closed. Take a deep breath, lifting up. Exhale out. Now place your hands in a prayer in front of your heart and take a moment just to be thankful for what you have with your body. Deep inhale and exhale. Thank you so much for practicing with me.